In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create compelling product descriptions for your online store using ChatGPT. So if you are ready to enhance your e-commerce game, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open ChatGPT. Head over to chat.openai.com and log into your account. It's a straightforward process. Once you've logged in, start a new chat so you have a blank slate to begin with. Having a fresh workspace will allow you to focus solely on crafting that perfect product description without any distractions. Next up, you want to tell ChatGPT exactly what you're selling. For instance, if you have a wireless Bluetooth speaker, you could type, "I am selling a wireless Bluetooth speaker. Help me write a short, catchy product description." The more specific you are about your product, the better ChatGPT can tailor its response to meet your needs. Being clear about what you're selling is crucial, as it sets the stage for all the subsequent steps. Now, you'll want to ask for multiple variations of the product description. This is helpful because sometimes the first draft may not be exactly what you're looking for, or you might need different tones for different platforms. You can request something like, "Generate 3 different product descriptions for my wireless Bluetooth speaker, one professional, one fun and creative, and one focused on technical features." By doing so, you get a range of styles and tones, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your brand. Once you have these variations, optimizing them for e-commerce platforms should be your next target. This step is key, especially if you're planning to list your product on sites like Amazon, where competition is fierce. You might ask ChatGPT, "Rewrite this product description so it's perfect for Amazon." Include bullet points for key features, SEO keywords, and a strong call to action. This ensures your description is not only appealing, but also optimized for search engine visibility and conversion, which is essential for e-commerce success. After you've got the basic structure down, you might want to adjust the tone to appeal to your specific target audience. Let's say you want to target college students. You could then ask, "Make the description more appealing to college students who want affordable, stylish tech gadgets." It's important your descriptions speak directly to your ideal customers, connecting with their needs and desires. Finally, it's time to finalize and save your work. Review the different versions you've generated. Select the one that resonates most with your goals, and then copy it. With your finalized description in hand, paste it into your online store, whether it's Shopify, Amazon, WordPress, or any other platform you're using. And there you have it. You've now learned how to craft an engaging product description using ChatGPT. This method not only saves time, but also ensures your content is compelling and tailored to your audience. Happy selling!